I'm Daniel, a product specialist with Streamstar. Today, I'd like to guide you through Streamstar's Scenes Manager, a unique functionality module of Streamstar live production software that allows you to instantly trigger complex visual compositions made up from all available production elements. The entire operation is controlled via a brilliant, intuitive user interface, enabling a single operator to easily control the execution of sophisticated production timelines with minimal effort. So let's get right into it. Here's the Streamstar IPX user interface with 6 demo files and 2 actual camera signals. One is from a PTZ and the other from a GYHM 600 pointed at the PTZ so you can see its movements. I am going to connect to the PTZ camera over IP so the software can control it. The PTZ camera SDI video signal is on channel 7. Here we can see its ID on the network. Click Connect. Now we can control all of its parameters and presets. Click any preset or switch any camera to live program as usual. This is the view of the PTZ pointed at the GYHM 600. Now we are set and ready to talk about the Scenes Manager. You should think of a scene as of a snapshot that contains all content and live PGM at the moment of capturing the scene. Let's create a composition in the PGM so you can clearly see what I mean. I'll use a CG in a picture-in-picture layout and assign content to the pip objects A, B, C, and I'll use the media file for the background. Okay, so now we have a layout that is quite complex and we want to be able to use it at any time during live production. So let's capture it by clicking on the Scenes Capture button in the top menu. Now let's go to the Scenes tab. The captured scene is in the Scenes list. Now let's change the whole program layout, switch cameras, turn off the CG, whatever else. When you need to recreate the captured scene, just click on the Scenes Play button to recall the scene. It would be practically impossible to fire up all the content at once, but using the Scenes Manager, you can prepare many different scenes, and no matter how complex they are, you can use them instantly when needed. Of course, you can name the scenes, duplicate them, and do many other things. But what's even more important, you can combine the scenes into sequences to create complex workflows and automate entire broadcasting timelines or programming blocks. I prepared a few scenes to illustrate the sequences functionality in detail. Each of these scenes contains a different PTZ preset so you can follow the action on the interface. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3. Now let's add the scenes to a sequence. Click the Add to Sequence button and select the sequence that already exists, or you can create a new sequence. Now we have a scene sequence. Open it and take a look at the scenes it contains. By the way, this concept is surely familiar to you from the playlist. In the Open sequence, you can specify if the timeline of a scene sequence shall run automatically or if it shall be triggered manually. If the auto switch is on, the next scene will be played automatically after the previous. Set a delay time when the scene should start after the previous scene. If the next switch is on, the operator is required to hit the next button to trigger the next scene. No delay time is needed now, but it can still be set if for some reason you wish to delay the scene after hitting the next button. Now the scene sequence is set up. Click play and watch the sequence being executed. If the sequence contains a next event, it pauses until you press the next button to advance to the next scene in the sequence. The scenes and the scene sequences can include camera switching modes, transitions, PTZ camera presets, graphic overlays, picture-in-picture and split-screen layouts, and all of it can be combined and executed at a push of a button. You, the producer, now have the ability to pre-program and time all complex operations needed for the entire broadcast in advance. This unique Scenes Manager functionality module makes Streamstar live production software the ideal tool for automated production workflows for TV stations, church productions, and live productions of any size. will greatly benefit from its flexibility, ease of use, and practically endless possibilities. I hope you liked what you've seen today, and now it's up to you to explore. For more tutorial videos, please visit our website at streamstar.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.